A consultancy and service provider company is located in Lima, the capital of Peru. One of its business areas is providing trainings for protection and control devices in the energy sector. A customer was running the final phase of the installation and commissioning of a copper facility in Peru in the middle of the pandemic and requested a training for their personnel. Scope of the training was configuration, operation, testing of the protection and automation system based on SIPROTEC 5 relays. Even injecting real faults to analyze the behavior of the protection and control relays was part of the training. This challenge was successfully managed thanks to the fulfillment of two main requirements. First, the selection of the SIPROTEC 5 protection devices by the final customer, as Siemens is the only manufacturer which is able to provide support for the Profinet S2 communication protocol in the control and protection devices. Second, the SIPROTEC DigitalTwin application, which provides the virtual replica of any SIPROTEC 5 device to be accessed remotely from everywhere at any time. The powerful SIPROTEC DigitalTwin application allows interaction with a SIPROTEC 5 device in the virtual environment just as if the customer is working with the real hardware, managing to cover all the points of a control and protection training. It also allows to simulate real faults using the ComTrade replay option. Moreover, with the use of apps such as Dixie and Segra within the SIPROTEC DigitalTwin, it is not necessary to install any additional software on the laptop. By using SIPROTEC DigitalTwin, the consultant carried out a complete virtual training successfully. With this new methodology, it was possible to train 22 employees who will be in charge of the operation and maintenance of the facility.
The SIPROTEC DigitalTwin is a very valuable tool that helps a lot in the training of configuration and operation of the SIPROTEC 5 relays, just as you would be working with a real relay. The SIPROTEC DigitalTwin replaces a laboratory since it has all the relay models in virtual form and can perform control and protection tests without the need to use real relays. The SIPROTEC DigitalTwin allows to practice maneuvers of the different existing topologies in the mine working in a completely virtual environment. The SIPROTEC DigitalTwin will help us to implement and test GOOSE.
The SIPROTEC DigitalTwin allowed us to satisfy our clients' need to provide completely virtual training, which enables interaction with the SIPROTEC 5 relays without the need for physical equipment. With the new digital twin applications such as Dixie 5, Segra or IEC 61850 configurator, we can give a training without the need for our clients to install any software on their computers.